In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix can't join place HTTP error ConnectFail error code 610. So, this error usually happens when Roblox can't connect to its server. This can be due to server issues, account problems, or connection errors. So, the first method is check Roblox server status. So, to check the server status, simply go to any browser and paste this URL. I will give you this on the description box. So simply check. If you are using website, then check it is operational for website or not, mobile app, Xbox app. So you can simply check from here. If you are residing Russia and Kazakhstan, then network issue will be there. You can't play their Roblox. But the server is working properly, still you get the error, then simply go to settings, scroll down, tap on apps, search for Roblox. Now tap on force stop, click OK, go to storage, click on clear cache. If you remember your login credential, then click on clear data. Otherwise, do not click on it. Now go back. Go to permissions and check all the necessary permissions is allowed or not. If not, then allow all the permissions. And make sure this manage app if unused is toggle off. If this is toggle on, then simply toggle this off. Now go back. Tap on battery and make sure it is set to unrestricted. Now go back. If you are using mobile data, then tap on mobile data and make sure these two are enabled. Now check your problem is solved or not. If still not solved, then simply uninstall the Roblox app and reinstall it. After doing this, your problem will definitely be solved. But the problem is related to your phone, then simply long press on your power button, click on restart and restart your device. After doing all this, your problem will definitely be solved. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.